大家好，欢迎来到5分钟中文。Welcome back to our new 5-minute Chinese。我是平，在昨天的节目中，我们学习了 the difference between 过 and 了。Yesterday we learned the difference between 过 and 了. Both of them means past tense. What is the difference when we are using them? Okay, now 了 means the situation changed. 他去了中国。Oh, he's not here. He went to China. Situation changed, right? 他去过中国. He has been to China. He doesn't plan to go there again this year. So he is here. He's not in China. So which means I'm just telling you an old or happened experience already. That is the difference. And at the end of yesterday's program, still remember these two sentences? My son at KFC. 儿子吃了 KFC. 儿子吃了肯德基. Oh, probably treat that as dinner tonight. 儿子吃过 KFC. So the first one 吃了 at. Second one 儿子吃过 told you. He has already tried that before. But today probably he didn't eat anything. He didn't eat KFC at all today. But I'm just telling you, don't buy for him. He has already tried it before. Probably he doesn't like it or he likes it, right? Anyway, that is the difference. But what we're going to talk about today is the negative part. Okay, 儿子吃了 KFC. It's a positive answer. How about if I say, my son didn't eat KFC today? How can we say that? Boo. Remember in our old 5-minute Chinese, we have one episode talk about what is the difference between 不 and 没. What is the difference between 不是 and 没有. So here, we should use the 不 or 没. Guess first. 不. If you choose 不, congratulations, you're wrong. The correct one is use 没. Why? Because 没 is talking about the fact. It's very objective. 不 is about your opinion. It's very subjective. So if you cannot understand the difference between 不 and 没, go back try to find the difference between two negative words 不 and 没 in our old 5-minute Chinese. I explained there very clearly there. Okay, now anyway, here we use 不. So 儿子吃了 KFC. 儿子没吃 KFC. 没吃. The fact is, my son didn't eat KFC today. How about if you want to tell people he doesn't have such experience? 儿子没吃过 KFC. Now, look at these two sentences carefully. Both of them used the negative word 没. Any other difference? Look carefully. 仔细看. 儿子没吃 KFC. 儿子没吃过 KFC. Any difference? Yeah, I found it. First one, 儿子没吃. You didn't say 了 anymore. Yes. So please remember, 了 has no negative form. 了 has no negative form. 儿子没吃过 KFC. You still need to put a 过 there. 过 has a negative form. 过 When you use negative form, you still put a 过 there. 没吃过 没吃. So if I were you, I will not remember the grammar or remember from the grammar perspective. 过 can be left there, can be put there. 了 doesn't have negative form. No. If I were you, I always tell my students this is I always remember phrases at least or sentence. So I will remember 没去过中国没去中国没去过中国我没去过中国我没去中国 You will remember immediately. If you have any question, don't feel hesitate to contact me. 再见. Thank you for watching our video. Please like and comment if you really enjoyed. Also, if you want to watch more videos, please subscribe to us. If you are interested in donating to help us, please check the links below. Thank you. Bye.